Question number 34. O is the center of the circle. ABC, angle ABC, ABC. This is 55 degree. Calculate the value of X and Y. Mr. Sibang, how should we do this?
So in this problem, we are given the angle of 35 degree, angle OBC. Now, with this information, we can find the angle OCB because angle OB and radius OB and radius OC are equal because they are radiuses. So therefore, angle OCB will also be 55 degree.
So what you are suggesting is that if we consider triangle OBC, then OB and OC are the radii of the circle, because this triangle would look something like this, that O would be the center, this would be the B, this would be C, and these two are the radii. So this will become an isosceles triangle, because this will become an isosceles triangle. This triangle OBC, this angle OBC is 55 degree. Therefore, this angle would also be 55 degree. Am I correct?
Yes.
Okay, so this is 55 degree, this is 55 degree. What should I do next?
So angle BOC. So you have got two angles, and with the, we can find the third angle automatically. So the third angle in this case would be 70 degree.
Okay, great.
And with this information also we can find angle AOC, because 180 minus 70 degree would be 110 degree. And because ADCB, the quadrilateral is a cyclic quadrilateral, so therefore angle ABC, which is 55 degree, and angle ADC, which is Y, you could find angle Y by 55 degree plus Y is equal to 180 degree. So therefore, Y would be equal to 180 minus 55 degree, and the answer would be 125 degree.
Okay. So what you're suggesting is, that once we have found 55 degree, this was given to us 55 degree. So you found this to be 55 degree. This is what we explained here, 55 degree and 55 degree. Now the sum of these two angles is 110 degree. That is why this angle would be 70 degree. And this angle, basically this angle would be 70 degree. Once you have found this to be 70 degree, then we know that this whole line, this forms a linear pair, because this forms a linear pair. That is why if this is 70 degree, this would be 110 degree. So this is one of the unknown that we have found. So X is equal to 110 degree. Okay. Once we reach here, then we look at this cyclic coordinate. In this cyclic coordinate, the sum of the opposite angles, basically this angle and this angle, sum of these two angles would be 180 degree. We know that this is 55 degree. Now once this is 55 degree, this would be 180 minus 55 degree. 180 minus 55 degree would be 125 degree. Therefore, this angle is 125 degree. This is wrong any doubt.
No, Roger.
So the same calculation. Is being done here. This is a bit neater way of looking at the things. So the same. Here we can clearly see that BOC is a nice isosceles triangle. Why? Because this and this, these two are the radii of the circle, and that is why this is 55. This was given us to be 55. You found this 70 degree. Once you found this 70 degree, you got this 110 degree. Then this was 55 degree. This 55 degree plus this. These are the opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral. And which was a cyclic quadrilateral? I just mark that cyclic quadrilateral again. This is the cyclic quadrilateral. Mr. Sivang, do we agree?
Yes, sir.
Great.